to another makeup tutorial. Today I'm just going for a very light, beginner-friendly, casual makeup look. Let's get to it. First things first, I'm applying this Bioma Clarifying Serum. I've just finished a session using my red light face mask a little while ago, so I'm going to apply this. There's nothing else on my skin. I took a shower after the gym, washed my face with one of my favorite cleansers, put on my mask, and here we are. I'm so excited to show you and apply these Dermatology brightening eye masks, so let's get to it. As always, I'll link as many of these products as possible for you to shop. The details will be in the description of this video. Using this small blending brush from Carla Beauty Cosmetics, I'm taking this palette here. This is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed, and I'm going to apply the shade Forehead Kisses right here. Super natural color, and the name is so cute. That's partially why I chose it. Now you can see these beautiful brushes in action. And I'm just applying this color all over the lid. This palette has a great variety of colors to create neutral or more dramatic looks. It is time to take off these under eye masks, and they have left such a glow under my eyes. I have a very special surprise, I guess we'll say, coming up soon, and I do not want my skin breaking out for this moment, so I'm going with the makeup that I know will treat my skin nicely and not cause me to break out. So I'm not experimenting with any different base makeup until this moment is over. So I'm going for the Honest Beauty CCC Clean Corrective. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love this makeup. I'm literally just applying the lightest coat because I really just want to do a super duper natural look. I'm applying it with a brush from the Sephora collection. This is Pro Foundation number 64. I can definitely feel the difference also if you've seen me apply the Dermatology eye masks. There's a huge difference in applying this product when my skin, I should say, is super dewy compared to when it's not. This just applies so, it applies easily anyway, but you can also see, because I'm doing such a light coat, you can tell that I'm letting the dewiness of my skincare routine totally come through today. I always like to bring a little bit down onto my neck. Make sure there's no aggressive lines there. Here's your reminder to drink your water today and stay hydrated. I want to go for a super duper light look. I'm not going crazy on a contour whatsoever. So I'm just going to take one of my favorite powder bronzers from Kylie Cosmetics, and we're literally just applying a really light coat. Same place as I would apply contour in, but just not a lot. This powder bronzer by Kylie Cosmetics has been one of my go-to bronzers for years. I'm going to use this beautiful blush by Milk Makeup. This is the Glimmer Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. So you already know where I'm headed with this. I'm going to apply this here for my cheeks. And I'm going to come back for my lips. I'm going to wipe this off a little bit first because it got some makeup on it. I'm just going to blend this in with a very small blush brush. This tint just adds a very nice subtle hint of color. If you saw my hair tutorial for slicking this back, I used this powder by Madison Reed to fill in some gaps along my hairline, but it also is meant for brows. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I use this product on my brows also. I think this might be one of the first tutorials I'm using this product in, even though I've had it for forever. I am going to switch to a hand mirror though. I always recommend having a hand mirror anytime you want a close-up look. I like this product because it applies super easily and you can control how much you're applying. Plus, it comes with this little brush, which is perfect because you don't really need more than the size of a brush, to be honest. Next up, I'll be setting my makeup. I had a minor mishap with my setting spray and it sprayed so aggressively, so I'm just going to take this beauty sponge and pat in the setting spray. Now, very light. I'm just going to apply literally the tiniest dab of this brightening concealer right where I have these super aggressive dark spots, but I swear I've had them since I was a kid. There's a picture of me, I'll have to find it and show you, where I swear my dark circles under my eyes look the same as they do right now, and no matter how much I sleep or well rested I get, these things just don't go away. I'm just gonna use this teeny tiny brush that I have and just put this right under my eye. Now also keep in mind with Rare Beauty, literally this brightening concealer, a little bit goes a long way. Like I already have way too much just from this little dab that I did on the one side. I'm just going to take a little bit of this pink setting powder by Kylie Cosmetics and just pat this in underneath. This is hands down my favorite pink setting powder of all. Now I have this product by Jillian Dempsey. This is the lid tint and this is the shade Shell. It's so pretty and just really light. So I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. You can see the shine on that. I'm just gonna drag it right across to add just a subtle bit of shine. I am also going to take this after I do my lids and apply it right under my brow bone for a highlight. This lid tint adds so much shine, highly recommended. A little advice for anyone who really wants to start creating makeup but doesn't know where to start is literally just go for it. They created makeup remover for a reason, so if you do anything that you don't like or it doesn't come out like you expected it, just take it off and try again. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts on this look. I'm going to continue using this just as a highlight. Now, I feel like I already have a good amount of dewiness on my cheeks, so I'm really not going to put too much there. The Milk Makeup color is coming back. We're applying it on my lips for a very subtle glow. Keeping this look super casual, I'm using brown mascara. This one by ColourPop is so good. I love brown mascara because it defines your lashes, but it's not so bold. So if you want to stay more on the natural side of the makeup but have a defined lash, I feel like brown is the way to go. Also, I had no intention of this coming out with ballerina vibes, but I feel like this totally came out with some ballerina vibes over here. That is everything. Thank you so much for tuning in. Follow me for more, and I will do a full product breakdown on my blog.